If you are starting the first business in your life, then this video is going to be very helpful for you. तो आज जो एक केस स्टडी जो है वो आपके साथ शेयर करेंगे. Of course, for obvious reasons, I'll amend the general concept. जो privacy related information है मैं उन चीज़ों को amend कर दूंगा. But आपको the point is कि you need to understand the concept and the scope. तो हुआ ये कि इधर वर्जीनिया में यहाँ पे एक there is one person contacted us and he used to do the job, some federal government job में थे, and then he's getting retired, and the plan was once he is getting retired he just need to start up a business. So the first thing which came to their mind is to contact the franchise, because naturally franchises का एक अपना scope होता है, you get all the guidelines and everything. So he contacted a couple of franchises और उनमें से उसको कुछ एक food related एक franchise थी. He shortlisted that franchise, he contacted the company, got the franchise disclosure documents FDD, and he was all interested in getting the franchise open for a food business. Now the good thing what he has done is once he received the FDD, so FDD is FDD is a franchise disclosure documents, and it contains every single information with regards to the company, the corporate offices, the locations, the businesses, the other franchises, investments, the potential returns and everything. So वो एक कुछ 250-300 pages का एक पूरा packet है जो उसको receive हुआ, and he get lost into the documentations, and he said, okay, that seems to be quite complex. So then he approached to us and he wanted to understand and ask for assistance from our side. How does the franchise systems work, and what kind of the information and the documentation he need to know from that franchise disclosure documents. Now remember कि जब आपका पहला business है, and even if you are a mature or veteran businessman, 250, 300, 350 pages पढ़ने का time किसी के पास नहीं होता, and you never know whatever is the hidden gem in those whole documentations is there. So then he contacted our team. We spent a sufficient amount of time to understand, because this is our day-to-day job. तो हमने उसके पूरे जो franchise disclosure documents थे, we give the synopsis, और हमने उसमें उसको explain किया कि इसमें what are the do's and don'ts, what are the limitations, liabilities, restrictions, responsibilities. और जब उसको हमने वो पूरे पेज को synopsis करके उसको just in couple of pages में उसको हमने जो है वो explain किया, then he sit with me, I explain him the whole process कि इसमें क्या क्या होगा, उसको do's and don'ts क्या होंगे, and then he understands the whole scope कि वो जो एक business आपने launch करना है वो किस तरीके से होगा, उसमें किस किस चीज़ों जो टीम है, रिसोर्सेज हैं, उनकी ज़रूरत होगी, किन जो इन्वेस्टमेंट बजट जो है वो कितना होगा. द ओवरऑल बजट was way above than what he was initially anticipating, but still now since he got the clear picture, and now he got the whole understanding of the documents, so now we are officially starting the collaboration and starting the launching and building of that business. So the point what I want to bring in here is, if you are doing a first business, or even if you are a seasonal businessman, but you want to go with the opening up a new business or starting up a new venture, don't try to do solo. Leave the bakery to the bakers. Always try to get a professional experts and professional help. That can save you a lot of time, a lot of resources, and a lot of future obligations, liabilities and responsibilities. So make sure whenever you are going to do or start or launch your new business, get a professional help and get your documentations and all the legal paperwork and even the business infrastructure development done by a team of professionals. Thank you.